Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Robinhood or Trading212. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear. And no platform is better than the other platform. I will tell you which platform will fit you the best because Robinhood and Trading212 are both great to use, but they have some differences. So I will tell you with the points that you interest in, which one will fit you the best. So let's start right here with the main focus on Robinhood. And the main focus on Robinhood is simple investing and trading. The main focus on Trading212 is commission-free investing and trading. Then if you go right here to the best four, and with that topic I mean Robinhood is the best for beginner investors and traders, and Trading212 is the best for European investors and long-term investors. Then if you look to the trading tools, Robinhood has basic charts and trading tools, and Trading212 has stocks, ETF, investment pies, and fractional shares. If you look to the interface, Robinhood has an extremely simple and beginner-friendly trading interface, and Trading212 has a modern, intuitive, and easy-to-use interface. Then if you go to fees and trading costs, Robinhood has a commission-free trading and Trading212 has a commission-free investing with low FX fees. So if you ask me, many investors use Robinhood for simple investing, stocks, ETF, options trading and beginner-friendly investing, and many traders use Trading212 for commission-free investing, fractional shares, ETF investing, and portfolio automation. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know right now exactly which one you need to pick. And thanks for watching. So for now, have a wonderful day and ciao.